Welcome to How Things Work, Episode 1. Today we're going to go over the RV furnace. So it actually starts right here at the control board. It's then going to go to the ECO, or the emergency cutoff, also known as the high limit switch, which just tells the control board that there is no fire. Once that is good, then we go to the motor. It will, of course, start the motor, which then turns the fan, creating wind, which is why we want to make sure there's no fire, because we don't want to make it bigger. And with the wind, you'll have this sail switch right here. It actually looks like a big sail inside of there. That sail will catch the wind, and then it will close the normally open switch. That then goes back to the control board and says, hey, we're good to go. The switch is closed. Any gas that was left in there has been expelled. Once we know that, then it will allow us to open up the gas valve itself so the gas can start flowing. It'll then go back to the control board and say that is open, we are flowing. So then we spin this around here and you can see the burner. It will go right up here, it will ignite, and then your burner tube will catch and you will be good. So if you ever wonder why the fan is going for a while before it starts, that's why.